This quadratic equation has two answers. You can either express it in terms of P or Q. But I want to express, for this video, I'm going to express this answer in terms of Q. That means P will disappear. In my next video, I will express in terms of P. Now, P plus Q equals to 1. Let me make P the subject. That will be P equals to 1 minus Q. Now, the two roots are Q plus a half and 2P minus 1. Then, let me replace P with this. So we have 2 into P, 1 minus Q minus 1. That will be 2 minus 2Q minus 1. So 2 minus 1, that's 1. So 1 minus 2Q is the first root. The second root is this one, Q plus a half. Now, sum of roots. When you add these two, sum of roots, when you add 1 minus 2Q to this, Q plus a half, what do you have? 1 minus 2Q plus Q plus a half. In fact, 2Q plus Q, or minus 2Q plus Q, that's minus Q plus a half. Then from here, find the LCM. 1 minus Q plus a half. LCM here is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Here you have 2Q, you have 2. So 2 plus 1, that will be 3, minus 2Q divided by 2. We can express this as 3 divided by 2 minus 2Q divided by 2, so that this can cancel this and we have 3 divided by 2 minus Q. This is the sum of roots. So what happens when you multiply the root? Product of roots. When you multiply them, these two roots, this and this, 1 minus 2Q times Q plus a half. This time this will give you Q. This time this will give you plus a half. Minus, then this time this will give you minus 2Q squared. Minus and minus is minus. This and this will give you minus Q. Check it well. Minus 2Q times a half. This will cancel this to give you minus 2Q times a half. So this can take care of this. You have minus Q, like I said. Now let's work this out. Q plus this, LCM is 2. Multiply here by 2. You have here minus 2Q. Here minus 2Q. Here you have 4Q squared. Here will be 1. And here will be 2Q. 2Q, right from here, plus 1 minus 4Q squared minus 2Q, all divided by 2, which was the LCM. This is the product of root. Now the quadratic equation is given as x squared minus sum of roots. Sum of roots x plus product of root. So x squared, the final answer is down, x squared minus sum of root. Our sum of root when you add is this. 3 divided by 2 minus q x. Product of root is this, is 2q. But if you check closely, 2q minus 2q, this will go. So we have 1 minus 4q squared divided by 2. We're almost there. Now by 2, then we can do something here. X squared minus 3 divided by 2x, then plus this minus is multiplying them, qx plus 1 minus 4q squared divided by 2. Let's multiply through by 2. This is equal to 0. If you multiply by 2, you have 2x squared minus 3x plus 2qx plus 1 minus 4q squared. This is the answer, and it's equal to 0. But we can rearrange this. You can stop here, you're correct. But we can rearrange this to have 2x squared minus, we can bring this x to one side, 3 minus 2q, x is common. Why this is minus? Because minus and minus is plus, then plus 1 minus 4q squared equal to 0. This is the answer in terms of q. So I stop here. You can like, share, subscribe for more. Bye bye.